are going to love the 2016 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, trip computer, CD player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.